Welcome to a deeper understanding of how certain foods interact with each other and the importance of knowing which combinations can boost your health and which ones may actually harm it. Today, we'll focus on a particular vegetable that's often praised for its health benefits, sweet pumpkin, and examine how it interacts with different types of foods, both positively and negatively. Understanding food combinations and their impact on health. We often hear about the health benefits of individual foods, but what we don't always consider is how the foods we consume together can impact our overall health. When we eat, we typically combine various ingredients in a dish, creating a meal with a mix of flavors and nutrients. While certain combinations can enhance the nutritional value of the foods and provide significant health benefits, others may have the opposite effect, potentially leading to health issues. In today's world, where we are more health conscious than ever, knowing which food combinations are beneficial and which ones are harmful can be essential for maintaining good health. This is particularly important when it comes to sweet pumpkin, a vegetable packed with nutrients that can boost your health in numerous ways, but only when consumed properly. Pumpkins are famous for their sweet taste and dense nutritional profile. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to various health benefits, such as improved immunity, better digestion, and enhanced heart health. However, even the healthiest foods can have downsides when combined with other ingredients that counteract their positive effects. Let's dive deeper into this topic and explore which food combinations are best when it comes to sweet pumpkin, as well as which ones you should avoid to protect your health. Sweet pumpkin, a nutritional powerhouse. Pumpkin is one of the most nutritious vegetables you can include in your diet, and sweet pumpkin, in particular, is loaded with health benefits. This vegetable is a powerhouse of beta-glucan, a fiber known for its ability to remove harmful free radicals from the body and reduce cholesterol levels. In fact, sweet pumpkin contains 26 times more beta-glucan than zucchini and 6 times more than matured pumpkins, making it an excellent choice for maintaining vascular health. Beta-glucan, found in the skin, flesh, and seeds of sweet pumpkin, works as a potent antioxidant. This fiber helps the body eliminate waste, regulate blood pressure, and improve the health of the digestive system. Additionally, sweet pumpkins are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber, which aid digestion and contribute to overall well-being. Despite its impressive health benefits, the pumpkin is not invincible. It's crucial to consume it properly and avoid pairing it with foods that could reduce or negate its positive effects. As Dr. Cuckoo always says, knowing what foods go well with each other and which ones should be avoided is the key to improving and maintaining your health. To help you make the most of sweet pumpkin's benefits, let's start by examining the worst food combinations for your health. These are the foods that, when consumed alongside sweet pumpkin, can either neutralize its nutritional value or cause harm to your body. 3 foods to avoid with sweet pumpkin. 1. Pumpkin juice or tea. Many people enjoy consuming pumpkin in the form of juice or tea due to its natural sweetness and diuretic effects, which help reduce bloating. Drinking pumpkin juice or tea may seem like a great way to enjoy the vegetable's benefits, but be warned, it can actually be harmful, especially if you have certain health conditions. Pumpkin juice contains not just the flesh, but also the skin and seeds, which are loaded with vitamin E and essential amino acids. These components promote brain health, improve blood circulation, and enhance the overall functioning of your body. Pumpkin's high vitamin A content further helps eliminate toxins and waste products from the body. However, the diuretic effect of pumpkin can be too intense for individuals with weak kidneys or those suffering from overall poor health. Citrulline, a compound found in pumpkin, directly affects kidney function. While the kidneys are responsible for detoxifying the body, if they are overworked due to excessive diuretic effects, it can lead to severe complications, particularly for those already on diuretic medications for conditions such as hypertension or hyperlipidemia. Moreover, individuals with weak kidneys should be cautious about their potassium intake. Pumpkin is high in potassium, which, although beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, can increase potassium levels too much when consumed in concentrated forms like juice or tea. Elevated potassium levels can lead to heart arrhythmias, a potentially dangerous condition that should not be taken lightly. So, what should you do if you love pumpkin but want to avoid the risks associated with its concentrated forms? The answer is simple. Instead of consuming pumpkin in juice or tea, eat it in its whole, natural form. Chewing the pumpkin ensures that you absorb the dietary fiber, which not only aids digestion, but also helps your body process the nutrients in a more balanced manner. The fiber slows down the absorption of sugars and other components, making it easier for your kidneys to handle the workload. 2. Vinegar. The second worst food combination with sweet pumpkin is vinegar. At one time, vinegar-based pumpkin products like pumpkin vinegar and squash vinegar were extremely popular due to the growing interest in fermented foods. However, while vinegar can be healthy on its own, pairing it with sweet pumpkin can have negative consequences. Vinegar, particularly fermented vinegar made with sugar, contains acetic acid, which can destroy the vitamins present in sweet pumpkin. Pumpkin is abundant in vitamins A, B, and C, which are essential for boosting your immune system, protecting your cells, and preventing illnesses such as the common cold. The beta-carotene in pumpkin, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that helps relieve phlegm, soothe bronchial inflammation, and prevent respiratory diseases. Moreover, pumpkins are a great source of vitamin B12, which is particularly beneficial for treating anemia and improving nerve sensitivity. Unfortunately, when pumpkin is combined with vinegar, these valuable vitamins and nutrients are neutralized. The acetic acid in vinegar breaks down the vitamins, making them ineffective and preventing you from reaping the health benefits of sweet pumpkin. Instead of fermenting pumpkin into vinegar or consuming it with vinegar-based products, enjoy the vegetable on its own or pair it with other healthy foods that will enhance its nutritional value rather than diminish it. 3. Overconsumption of pumpkin for those with weak digestion. Pumpkin is generally known for being easy to digest and good for the digestive system, thanks to its high fiber content. However, if you have a sensitive stomach or weak digestion, consuming too much pumpkin can lead to digestive discomfort. The fiber in pumpkin can be hard for some individuals to process, particularly if their digestive systems are already compromised. Additionally, pumpkins sometimes contain a slightly bitter compound called cucurbitacin, a natural toxin produced by plants to protect themselves from pests. While cucurbitacin is generally harmless in small amounts, consuming too much of it, especially for individuals with weak digestion, can lead to stomach inflammation, cramps, and even gastritis. For those with weak digestive systems, it's important to consume pumpkin in moderation and avoid eating large amounts of it in one sitting. This will help prevent indigestion and other digestive issues. Moreover, be sure to cook the pumpkin thoroughly to break down its fibers and make it easier for your body to digest. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid when consuming sweet pumpkin, let's move on to the best combinations. These food pairings not only complement the nutritional value of pumpkin, but also enhance its benefits, making it a superfood for your health. 3 foods to pair with sweet pumpkin. 1. Red beans. Have you ever tried pumpkin porridge with red beans? This traditional dish has gained popularity recently, and for good reason. Pumpkin and red beans make an excellent combination for your health. Red beans are high in fiber, which helps stimulate the intestines and relieve constipation. However, red beans can sometimes cause gas, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. This is where sweet pumpkin comes in. The gentle nature of pumpkin complements red beans perfectly, reducing the likelihood of gas and aiding digestion. In addition to their digestive benefits, red beans and pumpkin provide a balanced nutritional profile. Red beans contain saponins, vitamin B1, and a variety of minerals that complement the nutrients found in pumpkin. This combination helps improve nutrient absorption, protect the stomach, and promote overall digestive health. While both pumpkin and red beans have diuretic effects, the key to enjoying this combination is moderation. When consumed in their whole forms, rather than in concentrated forms like juice or tea, the body can handle the diuretic effects more efficiently without overburdening the kidneys. The fiber in both foods helps regulate digestion and ensures that the body processes the nutrients at a steady rate. 2. Duck meat. Another fantastic food pairing with sweet pumpkin is duck meat. You may have noticed that when you visit a duck restaurant, pumpkin is often served as a side dish. This isn't just a culinary choice. It's a combination rooted in health benefits. Duck meat is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which work wonders when paired with the vitamins in sweet pumpkin, particularly beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning it needs to be consumed with fat for the body to absorb it properly. The healthy fats in duck meat enhance the absorption of beta-carotene, allowing your body to make the most of pumpkin's antioxidant properties. Moreover, the combination of duck meat and pumpkin helps detoxify the body and lower bad cholesterol levels, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve heart health and reduce chronic inflammation. Together, these foods form a powerhouse of nutrients that can protect your cardiovascular system and